It's like R2-D2 and C-3PO's weird cousin. But the backpack is going to influence this industry in a lot of different ways, and I think just automation as a whole. Dental models is one of the biggest holdups in dental labs, so we try and staff it with model technicians, but having the backpack kind of gets rid of the need for more people, more staff, more hands on deck, and just allows for the industry to keep pedaling through some of the speed bumps that hold up production. This industry is going to continue to grow and progress, but having automation like this is a huge benefit.